1054 Zulu.
Alright, welcome aboard, guys.
Wind 200 at 4.
We're getting Foxtrot here.
Visibility 10.
We'll listen to it one more time here.
2 clouds at 25,000.
We're letting my oil temperature warm up. It's quite chilly.
Temperature 6. 2.1. Altimeter 3031.
3031 we've got set.
Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 26.
Ground Stationair 10457.
Stationair 10457, correct?
Yes, sir. 10457 to instruments to SUT, and we have Foxtrot.
457, roger. Clear 2 Sierra, Uniform Tango Airport as filed. Maintain 3000, spec 9000, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 126.6, squawk 7112.
Okay, 10457 is cleared to Sierra Uniform Tango. 3000, you said expect 9. I think I found 7. I prefer 7. 26.6 and 7112 on the squawk.
You got 9 on flight plan there. You want 7? I'll put it in there.
Yeah, let's just do 7.
457 expects 7,000 is your final.
Alright, we'll expect that. 457, thank you. Alright, we got 3 set. We're still letting it warm. Oh, it's just starting to read a little. We'll let it get a little warmer. Nobody's behind.
Ready for ground, truck 12. Truck 12, go ahead. Truck 12 is at
We're
Alpha
into the
3,
green
like
now.
I said, Alpha Arf Road, hotel to the vault. Truck 12, serious question. Truck 12, as requested.
Alright, we're in taxi.
Ground, Wildlife 1. Go ahead. Wildlife 1's on hotel at the 5 left approach. Like to take Hotel Echo back to the cargo ramp. Wildlife 1, serious question. Wildlife 1, as requested.
Gotta get a little heat. One's heat. Cabin heat. We're gonna get that photo. A little defrost heat. And ground Stationair 10457 ready taxi from Signature with Foxtrot.
457, runway 23 left, taxi via Kilo 6.
23 left, Kilo 6, 457. Alright. It's easing down between all these planes. 604 JR. That ain't Junior's plane, is it? That's CJ4, I think. An interesting bear in there. It says Bob Hoover on the tail. Oh, look at that beautiful sunrise. Let's get a little footage on. Look at a B-roll. Oh, I got 80% power on this one. I can't believe I found 9. Obviously, if he said I did, I did. I have to look at my flight plan. Got my floor flight. Oh, somebody danced. Oh, is this it? Little eyeballs. Get a little chilly. Alright, look at that sunrise coming up. See if I can get around the corner before it puffs all the way up. Alright, all our instruments are good. Ring. Added turn coordinator, the ball is free and moving. Turns in the proper direction. Attitude indicator direct. Altimeter is set. Everything's looking good. Oil temperature's nice and warm now. We'll see if we can do a good landing down here in Oak Island. I'll get a little closer to the beginning of the runway and we'll switch to tower.
Wildlife 1's off the active.
Thank you.
Look at all those Alaskan airplanes over there. Alright, we're going to switch to tower. We're going to put 26.6 in here in our standby. Get 1 notch of flaps. Mixture rich. Props forward. And Greensboro Tower, Stationair 10457 is ready to go, 23 left.
November 10457, Greensboro Tower, turn left heading 170, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Get left to 170, clear for takeoff, 23 left, 10457. Let's find our lights. We got some strobes. Get them all on. We'll try to remember to turn my panel lights off once we get going. Everybody's coming, clear on final. We'll smoothly advance the power. Lots of right rudder. The mighty Stationair actually needs a little more rudder than the Bonanza. The Bonanza has the nose wheel is canted a little bit to kind of help with that. Alright, power's coming up. Everything's in the green. Airspeed's alive. There's 60. We'll get a little weight off the nose. 70. Whoop, there we go. Jumped off the ground fast. We'll climb out at 100. Alright. Pull the prop back a little. Now pull pressure back a little. At 400 feet, we're going to start our turn. Oops, I got a little too much right rudder. Get a little happy with it. In the turn. Lean around a little bit. Oh, I might have too much trim. That's what it might be.
November 10457, contact departure.
Okay, over to departure, 457. For departure, Stationair 10457, 1700, climbing 3000, 170 on the heading.
Number 10457, Greensboro departure, radar contact, Flemington 7000, cleared direct to your Uniform Tango Airport.
Okay, 7000, direct to Jetport. Alright, we're going to nav, we're going to go over this way. Get it going, I'm going to get it trimmed up good.
Over 3 November Charlie, contact Charlotte approach.
It's all trimmed out good. We're going to turn the autopilot on.
12832, 3 November Charlie, good morning.
They're all mode. We're going to go nav. At vertical speed, we'll crank it down to 500 foot a minute. And then we need to arm this. Boom, there we go. Now the autopilot's all set up. It's in nav mode, vertical speed mode, altitude is armed 7,000. And we're nice and trimmed. I got the rudder trim set for that. Since it is so chilly out, I'm at the top of the green on everything. We'll lean it out a little more. Got a little catch here in this mixture. Alright, looking good. Oh, message, see what that says. We're going into airspace, we know that. We're in Class C. Alright, that's it for now. We're going to stop this one.
And coming in on the Burlington remote was completely unreadable.
Okay, we're back. Hopefully I got a good view. Hopefully you guys can see. Not looking up too much, or looking down too much, or whatever. Hopefully got a good angle. We're starting our descent into Southport. Or Oak Island, Brunswick County, Cape Fear Regional. Whatever name you want to call it. We're going to trim it, give a little left rudder trim for the descent. There we go. Keep the ball in the middle, nice and coordinated. As we go down, we'll reduce manifold pressure. Looks like it's going to be a nice day down here at the beach. I don't think I'd want to be leaving. Might as well get this one going too. I'm going to turn it around, face me. We'll get it recording. Recording 1, 2, 3. Alright, recording. Gonna spin it around. Get us all set up looking out the window. Maybe we'll get a sponsorship from Stratus. Since it's in the video. Alright, we're easing our manifold pressure back. Keeping it below 25 inches. I'll actually keep it below my RPMs too. Maybe 23. Like to have my manifold pressure lower than my RPMs.
4 Romeo Tango enter right base runway 6, contact tower 1 on that monitor.
Pull back. It look like about 2350, something like that. I believe we're going to land on 5. The winds are 040.
2.8.
Well, let's do it again.
3034.
Oh, we're going to have to listen to the whole scale again. Actual weather.
Cape Fear Regional Jetport. Automated weather observation 1217 Zulu. Weather. Wind 040 at 4. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 10 Celsius. Dew point 8. Altimeter 3034.
Alright. 040 at 4. I ought to be able to handle that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We are about 9 minutes, 20 seconds out. 21 miles to go. Gonna get a little choppy. Bumps. Doing well. You're still looking good. I keep glancing in case you guys are seeing me glance over. Let me hang you guys down just. How's that look? That's a little better, I think. A little more level. Camera's shaking a little bit. Hopefully the stabilization. It'll smooth out when we get down. I'll pull the power back a little. That beep was 1 to go. I'm looking over here at my little portable Garmin. We got all Bendix King equipment in here, a KLN 94.
November 25195 Foxtrot,
which is good equipment, but he doesn't have WAS, so you can only shoot approaches down to. There's that big antenna we're always looking for. Boy, that thing is big. I thought it said it was 27 something.
November 457, verify requesting visual approach.
Yes, sir, visual will be fine for 457.
457, roger, report Southport Airport, site 12 o'clock, 20 miles.
Alright, we're looking for 457. That antenna is 2017, I guess. I guess that's the one I'm looking at. That's the only big one I see on the chart. They're not as high as I thought. Sure looks big. Maybe because there's nothing else around. It's so flat around here. Then there's a little grass, or another little paved strip, private. Private strip, 3,500 foot long. We'll close that, didn't do that. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. I don't know if it's going to come out or not. I don't know if I got too much glare on my camera. I'll get a picture of that. Beach. Opening in there, thinking that's the airport, but I think it's a little to the left. And Stationair 457 at Southport site, we go ahead and cancel IFR.
Stationair 457, IFR cancellation received, radio service terminated, frequency change approved.
457. Alright, well, crank us down. normal Beaufort trip. I don't come down here as often as I used to. I used to come down here a bunch. There's one to go. Looking good.
Traffic, Stationair 10457 is about 4 miles to the north and bound from landing runway 5. We're going to get on a left downwind runway 5. Looking down, traffic, 73452 left down runway 5, first account.
See the airport right there, the little buildings, the little grass strip going left to right. Before all that opening, right at that tree line is the runway.
Berkeley County traffic, Skyx 73453, base runway 5.
Big tanker or something out there, container ship, looks like out there over the water. Get some lights on. For the next notch of flat, and we're just gonna land with 20. Go a little bit further.
Cape Fear regional traffic, Stationair 457, turning left base runway 5. Keep moving.
Alright, speed's good. We're gonna go get the second notch of flaps. Big old tanker out there, or container ship, whatever. Or shrimp boat. Shrimp boat. I don't know what that is towing. If they're what those are. If those are crab pots. I don't know. I'm not a fisherman, but there's a big lot. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's trailing a bunch of little something out there behind him. I have no idea what pier this is, or I would tell you. Maybe just the Southport Pier, I guess, I would assume. Southport Pier. Do they have a pier? I think they do. I think it's called Southport Pier.
And Cape Fear traffic, Stationair 457, turning final runway 5. Cape Fear.
500.
I'll start slowing down. Try to get it squared up here. Trimmed. Trimmed nice. on the glide slope. Looking good. Looking good. What you guys think? Look good? Feels a little left aileron heavy, but alright. Anyways, I'm no expert on these Stationairs, that's for sure. Coming back up on glide path. We're a little fast, I'll start slowing. We're doing about 80. Looking good. Power's coming off. Power's completely off. Start gradually transitioning to a flare. Getting closer to the ground this time. Alright. Oh, hold the nose up. It doesn't shimmy. Get it nice and slow. Alright, very good. We're trimmed. Tail flaps open. Prop back forward. And Cape Fear traffic, Stationair 457 is clear and active. Cape Fear. Get our lights off. Alright, well thanks for flying along. Hope I didn't scare you. I'm going to stop both recordings. GoPro turn off. GoPro power off.